Today in our series, we are going to be diving into the abyss, understanding more about the realities of hell, the burning fires of hell, the everlasting torment. But today I want you to put your seatbelt on because you know this is not going to be a feel-good message. And we do preach messages of hope, life, restoration. But today is a day that we need to set back and we need to realize the realities of hell. Before we do that, though, I want to talk to you about an alleged story that took place in Siberia some 40 years ago, where scientists, Russian scientists, were drilling into the core of the earth down some 14 kilometers. They were drilling and they came to a point where the drill shaft began to spin very rapid and violently, so they took it out because they hit some kind of cavern or pocket. So in their curiosity, they discovered the temperature was some 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Very hot. So they took a microphone designed to listen to the tectonic plates shifting and moving, and they dropped that microphone down some 14 kilometers into this cavern. And what they heard was so shocking that it caused them to flee. It caused them to shut down. And in this alleged story, after 19 seconds, the heat melted the microphone. So for a moment, I want to play this recording for you, 19 seconds. And I want you to shut your eyes and hear apparently what they heard.